Thank you. Thank you. 60% of US startups and small businesses never work with an attorney because they're too expensive, they're too slow, and it's too hard to find someone that you actually trust. This leaves founders with two bad choices: do nothing and hope for the best, or play as an attorney and take the risk of making a costly mistake. As a corporate attorney for more than 29 years and a two-time venture-backed entrepreneur, I started Parallax to be the new choice, an AI-powered platform that provides on-demand legal support that is AI-assisted but verified by actual attorneys built right into the workflow, resulting in a reduction in cost and time by 80%. Since launching our beta in late January, we're doubling our customer count month over month and continue to expand our pipeline. So, for you who are frustrated with legal and need help, I'd ask you to join us in redefining legal support for business. Together, we can fix legal for the better. Thank you.